Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all are tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. Today's video, guys, we're going to be opening up 3 different packages. One comes all the way from East Moriches, New York, from Mr. Vincent Lopresti. Then we got one all the way from Mr. Painter from Spring Hill, Florida. Then we got one that comes all the way from Camano Island, Washington, from Mr. Dale Danielson. How about that? Cannot wait to see what all they sent. I know what Mr. Vincent sent. We're in a little trade, and I'll show you exactly what he sent. And I can't wait to open them up and get them in my display. So, anyway, guys, don't have a whole lot of time today. I'm actually out there in Wiggins. I'm gonna be filming and everything, so those videos will be out probably Sunday and Monday. So it's gonna be fun. I'm gonna be out there buying knives and filming every one, and it's gonna be fun, guys. So can't wait to share all this with y'all. Can't wait to get out there. Well, anyway, guys, thank y'all for tuning in today, and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, guys, the first package we're gonna open up comes all the way to us from Mr. Painter from Spring Hill, Florida. Hi Kevin, here's some oldies you can doctor up, and the in-package knife is for one of your auctions, Thomas. So it's Mr. Thomas Painter. And I think he has a YouTube channel right here. Look here. That pocket knife guy, what's in your pocket? YouTube, I like that. I have to check you out, buddy. I didn't know, never heard of you, buddy, but I have now. Thank you for this. I'll put you up on my wall of fame and subscribe, buddy. Thank you so much. Y'all go check him out, the pocket knife guy. What's in your pocket? I like that. Actually, he sent me 2 stickers. That's very cool. Thank you, man. We'll look at this one last here. Let's see what he's got right here. Whoa, looks like a, man, look at that. It's a light blade. Man, that's nice. I've never seen this before. What in the world? What's that right there, y'all? Huh. I've never seen that before. There's some writing right here. Crossman, USA. Libby Dog. Is that the one that does the BBs? I remember Wade getting a Crossman one time. What is that for, y'all? Y'all let me know. It's sharp. It could be sharp. It's dull, but I've never seen anything like this. Libby Dog. That's amazing. Darren. But it's very well made. And that knife, it needs to be sharpened, but that's a lot blade, man. I really like that. But again, guys, y'all let me know what that's used for right here. I've never seen that before. Very cool. How about this now? That is Pier 39, San Francisco, California. Kevin, how about that? Very cool, buddy. You got your main blade, little bottle opener, can opener, scissors, and you got your little, that's a descaler and a hook remover for fishing. That is so cool, buddy. Little Phillips head. Nice knife, man. Thank you for this. Little corkscrew. Awesome. This one's the old one. I have to clean that up. I have no idea. It's old, I know that. Huh. It's got a bomb shield on its head. Very cool. Look at that. That's an old timer. Makes a 33 OT if I remember right. Yes, sir, 33 OT. It's in pretty good shape. Very, very cool. Yeah, it's got a good snap. The blade's been worked on some. They done a good job. You see how short it is? Both blades. Very cool, buddy. Thank you. And then there's a little pouch. I don't know if that's for is it Zippo or what, but that's pretty cool. Love this, man. And then look here, still in the package, Colonial, made in America, master brand. How about that? We'll put this in the auction. Still in the package, guys. It's probably from the, I'm thinking the 60s or 70s. Ain't that awesome? It ain't never been put on the rack. A little Stockman, I think, ain't it? Or is it a jackknife? Oh, it's a jackknife. It's 2 blades. But this is cool, buddy. Mr. Thomas, buddy, thank you so much for everything. And y'all go check him out. That pocket knife guy. What's in your pocket? I love it. Thank you, buddy. Thank you for everything. Mr. Thomas Painter sent all those knives from Spring Hill, Florida, 346 miles away from Ellaville, Georgia. Mr. Thomas, buddy, thank you so much for supporting the channel. I love the knives, man. God bless you, buddy. Y'all go check him out. The pocket knife guy. What's in your pocket? Okay, guys, the next package comes all the way to us from Dale Danielson from Camano Island, Washington. Sir, just a few things I've had laying around that I thought you might like. There's a gift from Mr. Glenn and a Zippo that I've never seen before that you might like. Keep up the good videos. Always enjoy them. Dale. Well, Dale, buddy, thank you for all this stuff, buddy. Absolutely amazing stuff. I went ahead and opened it. It was wrapped up in this just to save a little bit of time, guys. But he sent me a Gerber sheath. That is so cool, man. Thank you so much for that. Appreciate that. And this one here, it looks like a pretty cool knife now. Wow. Uh-oh. Needs to be new point put on it. D2 steel. Yeah, we can fix that tip real quick. There won't be no problem at all, buddy. I'll do that and put it in the auction. That's a Knife Doctor special. Hoorah. And this is from Mr. Glenn here. I opened it up from Mr. Glenn right here. How about that? Look at this. One of them see-through. It's so cool. Look at that. Man, that thing is beautiful. Look at there. Ain't that pretty? Probably SD classic colors. Maybe Swiss. Classic SD. Yep. SD stands for screwdriver. Instead of a fingernail cleaner point, it has a screwdriver on that point. But that is absolutely gorgeous, buddy. Thank you so much, Mr. Dale. I love that. He'll love that too. I promise you, he will. And he sent this right here as well. It needs to be cleaned up, but this is a Victorinox. Got your regular blade, flat tip screwdriver, bottle opener, wire stripper right there. Then you got your little bitty screwdriver, which will work on Phillips head screws as well. Then you got your can opener. That's a good little knife right here. Then you got your scissors or shears. And you got your little blade right there. It just needs to be cleaned up. And you got your corkscrew. And you got your punch blade. It's made after 1985 because it's got the hole in it. Got your little lanyard ring here. And it's got your toothpick and it's got your tweezers. Best in the business. Nice knife, man. It just needs to be cleaned up, and I'll definitely take care of that. This one here is, I know it's an Imperial. Let's see, 56 to 88. The handles are pretty, but the clamshell, see there? Very nice knife. That'll go in the auction too, buddy. This is the Zippo he was talking about. Check that out, y'all. I guess you gotta mash that button and click it. I'll have to find out. I guess is it butane? It's got batteries. I wonder how you fill it up. I'll have to do some research on this. Very cool, buddy. Thank you for this, though. Look, now this one here, I couldn't make it out. Oh, a Remington. My God. Look at that, y'all. Remington DuPont stainless steel. Man, is that beautiful. I'm going to sand that down. I didn't know what that was. I opened it up, just laid it. I seen it, but I couldn't make that out. That is amazing, buddy. That is from 33 to 40 is when this was. Man, that is so cool, because DuPont took over the rights to Remington in 1933. Remington was hit hard. A lot of their distributors around the USA, like old hardware stores and gas stations and stuff like that, they went out of business because of the Great Depression. And DuPont took them over. And in 1940, Powell bought out the Remington brand, and the rest is history. But that is real stag right there. I'm gonna sand that down. Man, that's gonna be beautiful, beautiful. It's a carver. It's dull now, but it'll get sharp. That is absolute. That surprised me there now. I had no idea. I thought it was a German made. I just glanced at it when I unpacked it, but I didn't know it was a Remington DuPont. Man, that's amazing. Amazing. Now this one here, guys, I know what this one is. This is a Case, double X. Rough black. You see that rough black? That's what rough black looks like. And guys, this is a, you got your point sticking up right there. This is an X's under. This knife is going to clean up good. It has no snap whatsoever. That's got a broke spring. Man. Wow. That blade's in good shape. That blade's in good shape. Man. That is nice. Rough black. Stockman. Serpentine. Beautiful, buddy. Beautiful. I have no idea what this one is. Victorinox. Look at that, y'all. Golly. That's a fillet. But this is nice, man. Thank you so much for this. It's sharp as a razor, too. Oh, there it is right there. How about that? Victorinox Vibrox. How about that? That is a nice fillet, buddy. Fillet knife. We're going to put that in the house. Use it inside, man. That is beautiful. Love that, man. Love it. And it's called a Forstner, made by Victorinox, made in Switzerland. That is awesome, buddy. Thank you for all this stuff, buddy. Awesome stuff, man. Golly, love the Remington. I love the Victorinox. I love this Victorinox. This will go in the auction, and this right here will look for some parts to try to repair it, because them handles are in excellent shape. That rough black. Beautiful, man, beautiful. That X is under. I don't know if that right there is from 1940 all the way up to 1964, or through 1964, because the USA started from 65, went all the way through 1969. So this is from 40 all the way through 64. Very cool. The Zippo, I'm going to do some research on that, buddy. Mr. Dale, thank you so much for everything, buddy. It's awesome. Awesome stuff. And I'll have to repair that one. Thank you, man. Appreciate you, buddy. Mr. Dale Danielson sent all those awesome knives all the way from Camano Island, Washington, 2,272 miles away from Ellaville, Georgia. Mr. Dale, buddy, thank you so much for everything. Appreciate the knives, buddy. Appreciate you supporting the channel. God bless you, man. Okay, guys, the last package, it comes all the way to us from East Moriches, New York, from Mr. Vincent Lepresti. Okay, guys, there's no note in there, but look here. I'm trying to fill up this one side for my Harley Zippo collection. Look at that right there. Brand new in a box. How about that? Check that out. Ain't that beautiful? Man, that's pretty. What year is that? 23. K is KL, that's November. November. Look here. Wow. Check that out. Ain't that beautiful? And that is 24. E. That is A, B, C, D, E. That's May. I don't know why I can't remember if E is May. Beautiful. Love it. Then you got this right here. Oh yeah, that's probably my favorite. Ain't that pretty? Look at that. That is 23D. That is April of 23. It's 2 years old. Ain't that cool? So all three of these are gonna go in my collection. Mr. Vincent, appreciate it, buddy. When I get back from Wiggins, I'll send you some trade offers, okay? And you let me know what you want, and we'll get together on it. Thank you so much, buddy, for everything. I appreciate you as always. Can't wait to see you again at the Ellaville Knife Show, buddy. Appreciate you, man. Mr. Vincent Lepresti sent those Zippo lighters all the way from East Moriches, New York, on Long Island. 1,051 miles away from Ellaville, Georgia. Mr. Vincent, buddy, thank you so much again for all your support, buddy. Appreciate you as always. God bless you, man. They are right here. Mr. Vincent, buddy, thank you so much, buddy. Appreciate you, buddy. Love it. If I'm getting that filled up fast. Thank you again, man, for the trade. Love it. Well, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video today. I just want to thank Mr. Dale, Mr. Thomas, and Mr. Vincent again. Thank y'all so much for sending everything in. Love everything, guys. And guys, I'm out in Wiggins right now. I just want to thank each and every one of y'all for y'all's support. And I will be getting, I'll be filming out there, and I'll be having some good footage when I get back. So just thank y'all again for tuning in today. And I'm so glad you're here, each and every one of y'all. And I want to say God bless y'all. Until we meet again, guys. That'll be like a good night. Stay sharp. You remember the ones that you was looking at, then, the Lewis and Clark? Those are the Great American Stories. Remember that Lewis and Clark one over in Opelika? Those same kind of ones. Those are the Great American Stories that both were put out in the 70s. Now look here.
Out in the wild,
Yeah, I gotta look at that case right there, 59 bucks.
From a pawn shop shelf to a
Hey, can I see some knives, man? When you get time?
I'm hungry all night.
Oh, okay. You don't mind?
I don't mind.
Okay.
Go around there.
Okay. I do, sir. Let's see. I want to see.
I'm the night doctor, baby.
That one.
I give a discount if I
Bring 'em
more
back
one.
alive.
Okay, that sounds good.
Saving the lives of all night. Helping us survive. With my proof on my side. And my queen riding
Then there
plane.
was another. Here it is, right
We're
here.
fixing up the past like it's never been seen.
Look at that one.
Said I waited look like night.
And
My feet.
then is there any one that you want to see, buddy? That you want them back here?